Now that our sugar is fully incorporated into the butter, it's time to add the rest of our wet ingredients, which is going to be 1 egg. Get that in there. And then also the peppermint and the vanilla extracts. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of each. So the peppermint's really going to give a nice flavor to these cookies and make them seem a little bit more like actual candy canes with the same flavor to them. So I'll add in the peppermint. If you happen to have mint extract instead of peppermint extract and you don't want to go out and buy yet another flavor, then that's fine to use as well. It's just not going to be as pronounced of a flavor. And then we want to add in our vanilla. And 1/2 teaspoon of the vanilla as well. And vanilla is just a really good base flavor to have for a lot of baking. Even if you're going to add in other flavors, it's still good to have vanilla in as well. And then we're going to start mixing again. And we're going to start at a slower speed like we did with the butter and when we added the sugar, just to start getting things incorporated before putting it up a notch so things can really mix in, and you want to have a nice consistent texture, consistency to this. You don't want it to be lumpy at all. You want everything to be nice and smooth.